Here we go, guys. If you're looking to make a 3D logo or any kind of logo, I got you covered. Any kind of video, I got you covered for that too. Okay, here is the website called renderforest.com. Type into Google, you'll find it. The first option, click on it. Here are the options that they of their services that they are providing. We'll make logo, create video. Let's go with the logo, guys. Okay, it's renderforest.com. Brand name, I know this one. Let me put this one. Okay, and click on get my logo. Now it's gonna ask you a few options here. I'll just put in anything. Okay, and let's see what happens. Click on next. It's asking you to choose style, what kind of style you want: emblem, solid, gradient, whatever, alphabetic. Okay, let me try this one. I selected this, clicked on next. Alright, these are the options it has given me. Here's the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, loading more in fact. Okay, and it even shows you how it appears. Okay, preview on more mockups. It's giving a lot of options there, guys. Okay, let's check about the videos now. Okay, here it is, create video. This 3D explainer toolkit and different kind of stuff. Slide logo reveal, trendy explainer toolkit. This is one amazing platform, guys. If you don't think it's good enough for logo, but I know for sure that it's amazing for this kind of explainer videos, solid logo reveal and all that. Okay, it's even giving you details here, 17 seconds and all this. Let's see how this one comes up. That's amazing, guys. See your tagline with the logo. Amazing, 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 guys. Okay, here it is. You can click on create now and it gives you further options, to create it. You'll have to put in a little bit of work in there. Nothing big, guys, nothing big. It's just that your own logo you'll be putting in and your own text you'll be putting in here, and that's it. Just a little bit of work on your fingertips. That's it, guys. Make it, download it, use it for yourself. Sell this as a service on Fiverr, Upwork, whatever you call, freelancer, Facebook, Instagram. Do it, guys. Make money out of it. These are free options that you can use and make money out. Alright, if you have any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer. Have a great day. Cheers.